Hydraulitechs products have been designed and improved based on experience. We are running a hydraulic shop at the same time, and that's what separates us from our competitor, because every day we are dealing with hydraulic repairs. We create a technology that we are using on a daily basis in our repair shop. So all our products are coming with features that makes hydraulic repair shop operation as easy as possible. We offer a complete package of hydraulic shop equipment, and that includes hydraulic cylinder benches, Nutbuster, automated honing machine, automated rod polisher, hydraulic cylinder test units, and hydraulic pump and motor test units as well. Our main product is hydraulic cylinder bench, and we use this machine to disassemble and assemble hydraulic cylinders. And it doesn't matter what type, what kind, our machine can handle any types of hydraulic cylinders to take apart, to put it together, and also test the cylinder on the same bench.
The Nutbuster is going to make you more efficient by reducing the amount of time required to repair cylinders. It's going to open up new opportunities for you, perhaps large bore cylinders, high pressure cylinders. Nutbuster is far safer than a 10-foot cheater bar, and the Nutbuster never calls in sick.
It's safe, it's efficient, it's the tool for the job. I've yet to come across anything that the Nutbuster can't get apart. The automated honer is an amazing machine. The functionality of it is so great. There's no mess, there's no cleanup after. The oil being piped right down the tube into the cylinder is amazing, as opposed to having to plumb your own separate oil into the cylinder. This machine, you set it up, you set your length, you set your strokes, and we can offer them a guaranteed product from this machine.
With using an automated honing machine, you're certain that you're going to get a good result and good, well-honed tube every single time. And you are removing the human error that comes with manual honing process. And when it comes to the rod polisher, we designed it to be a fully automated machine that all hydraulic shops, and specifically chrome rod shops, can take advantage of this machine. And when you take apart hydraulic cylinders, sometimes you see some tiny scratches on the rod. So for this circumstances, you need the automated rod polisher to put your chrome rod on the rod polisher and have it polished automatically. We designed our rod polisher having in mind the health and safety of our operators.
It's an amazing machine. It turns the rod right back to new. The polisher, it just speeds up that chroming process so much.
That makes us the only hydraulic shop that offer the complete package to the startups and to the old hydraulic shops.